Hello, my name is Ashley, and I'm about to bring you a HTML tutorial. Right, so I'm going to be going over building a basic template for us to start using HTML5. I'm going to demonstrate some new tags that you can do, some really cool stuff you can now do. Right, it's amazing. HTML5 is pretty beast, and I thought I may as well try teaching some people this. Right, to begin with, you're going to need to download Sublime Text 2. This is the editor I'm using. It is amazing. It is a really nice editor. Right, beautiful, stunning. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and create a new file. And we're going to save it off. Okay, I may already have some basic. Here, I'll just save it as a HTML tutorial. I've already done some work with HTML at the moment, so you know, I have some previous folders for this. We're going to call this index.html, and voila. Okay, so to begin with, what we're going to need to do, do this. So we're going to specify what document type this is. So doc type HTML. Oops, I forgot there. In the previous version of HTML, it used to be this massive line of code for this, but now it's just HTML here. It's amazing. I do like it. Right, then we're going to set the HTML tags. So like that. I do like Sublime Text. Their syntaxing is amazing, and it does have autocorrect as well. Look, head. Whoops, wrong one. You know what I mean. It has some amazing autocorrect. Head. Alright, so let's do the head tags. This is generally the stuff that goes, how do I explain? It's sort of above everything. So this stuff gets called first, and then everything else happens. So it's just some basic before we start making the website stuff. It's just behind, it's background stuff most of the time. Anyways, let's do some meta tags. We don't need to know about meta tags at the moment. Something that we will learn a lot later on. But for now, just stick with me. Alright, so we're going to do meta. And then we're going to do charset equals UTF-8. Alright, that's a character set there. And this is self-enclosing, so we can just do that. Next one's going to be title. So this is the... hang on, let me demonstrate. This is what appears up here, right? The title appears up here. So it's in the little tab thing. Right, that's what the title is. Right, the title can be... Oops. What the hell? Right. Home page. Right, we'll do home, and we'll do TheTechPlague, because why the hell not? Okay. Now we got the link. Now this is going to link us to a CSS file. I will tell you what this is later. For now, follow me. Just write what I write, and then after this line I'll tell you. So do link, then rel equals stylesheet, and then href equals main.css, and it's self-enclosing. Okay, pretty much what our link is it's just me saying, hey, go to this, right? This web page will be using this style sheet, which is a CSS file. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, if you have already done HTML before, you're probably thinking to yourself, well, why would we need to do this? We can just write this all like up here, can't we? We can just do, I don't know, dot tag color equals red, or no, it's color red, can't we? We can just do that for CSS stuff. But this makes it a lot easier. This means that we can have all that CSS stuff in another file. It makes it a lot tidier on the actual main HTML file here. Right, makes it a lot better. Anyways, after doing that, let's go out the head and we'll start working on the body. This is the meat of your website. This is everything, alright? This is just pretty much what you see. Hang on, let me demonstrate. It's better if I demonstrate these times. Here, this is your body. Just everything you can see on the web page. This image, this just general stuff. Alright, it's what you can see on the website. Okay, so after doing this, let's do, okay, where do we start? I think a header will be nice. So we'll create the header. Balls. Yeah, it's just that header. Okay, so we got our nice little header tag, and this is pretty much just the title of the website. And this could be H1, which is header 1. H1. I should have used the autocorrect for that, would have just auto-filled, but oh well. Sometimes I forget. Anyways, H1. We're going to set this to welcome to the Tech Plague. Wonderful. Capital P because it looks awesome. Okay, so welcome to the Tech Plague. Wonderful. It's a nice header. Beautiful stuff. Okay, next one is going to be the section. So we get the new section tag. Once again, I could have just done the autocorrect, but I keep forgetting. I'll get it one time. Alright. And this is going to contain articles and stuff. This is just like sort of the middle. Yeah, this is sort of what's in the middle of the page. You'll see soon, it will come together soon, and you'll understand what I'm doing with this section. But the section is just a new tag, and it's just a section of the page. That's pretty much what it is. It's just a section of the page, but HTML5 has decided to go, hey, we're going to call it section because it makes a lot of sense. I don't know. Either way, so we're going to do a section, then we're going to do article, because this is an article now, and HTML5 let's call it an article. I don't know why. It's a HTML5 thing, I guess. But yeah, we're going to create an article. This is just like, well, you know what articles are, don't you? It's just little snippets of text and whatnot. And we're going to say header, because the article can actually have a header as well. Shock, shock, shock. Whenever I tab here, it always does the weird thing. Oh well. But anyways, yeah, header. And I'm going to do H group. Now, the reason for this is we're going to have more than one header. We're going to have the main title and then a subtitle. I'll show you in a sec. So H group, H group. So this is just header groups really. Otherwise it gets confused if we only have one. If we have two headers within one header tag, it gets confused. So we had to use a H group for this. So we're going to use H2. And we're going to say, I don't know, just I don't know, new server. Wait, no, that'll be in the news, wouldn't it? New script. We'll just do article 1. I can't think of anything for an article at this point. Article 1. It's beautiful, right? So that's the main header, and then we're going to have a subheader, which will say something interesting. Something interesting. Alright. I cannot think of anything else to write in these at the moment. But anyways, yeah, so that's something interesting. And we'll come out the header all together there. Cool. Now what we can do is we can just do P, and let's just write some text in this article. Right, wonderful. Some text in this article. Genius. Couldn't have thought of anything better myself, really. Okay. We can also have another article in here as well. So just do article, header, script. I'm lazy. Just let me be lazy just this one time. Okay, so this is article 2. And this can just be more interesting things. Some extras, some extra texts. There we go. Wonderful, right, so that's the sections dealt with. Now we have the A side. This, as you may imagine, goes to the side of the web page. And in here we can just have a header to, why not, saying news. So this is going to be the news section. Okay, and then we can have another paragraph. P, there it is, paragraph. New dark RP server launch in progress. Yes, wonderful. So, you know, just announcing some news there. Psst, we are setting up a new dark RP server. Psst. Anyways, so there's that. Okay. Yeah, so we got that. That's the news. A side is just a tag that says, hey, this is going to go to the side of our webpage. It's just some stuff to make it easier to read, I guess, for the average user. And then the last thing, oh, wait, no, I just remembered something really interesting, which I'm really stupid for not mentioning. In articles, you can have footers. Yup, you can have footers. So we can just do a footer, p dash written. Oh, hello, cat. I haven't seen you in a while. Written by Ashley. And then we could. God, that no, cat, no, down. Bad kitty cat. I'll stroke you later, okay? Anyways, and we'll put another footer in here. P dash written by Ashley dash P. Cool. Okay, so there's the footers there. We can also have a footer at the bottom of the website as well, because that's just generally how it works. So what happens here is we can just do P, and this is where the copyright stuff goes. Okay, so just copyright stuffs. Okay. As you can imagine, by the way, the footer tag is, as it says, it's a footer. It's the bottom of something, right? So for the article, it's at the bottom of the article. With the web page, it's at the bottom of the web page. Okay. And I believe that is pretty much it. How much time have we actually done? 12 minutes. Okay. I'm going to quickly just run through these again. So the doc type we're specifying as HTML because this is a HTML file. We've specified HTML tags, which is pretty much saying, hey, here's our website in here. Here's the head tag, which is everything that happens before the website gets loaded up. So all the character sets, the title of the web page, and the CSS file that it's using. Here's the body. This is the meat of the web page. This is where everything is. So we got header here. We got yeah, just a header here really. It's wonderful. Okay, so welcome to the TechPlague. H1 is just the biggest header you can get. It's header 1, right? It's the main header. Sections. This is just specifying a section in the web page, right? This is like the middle part of the website, right? The main chunk of it, really. And here we can specify articles, which are nicely enclosed in article tags. And these are just where all the information in the web page go, really. So we can specify headers. And in order to have multiple headers within a header, you have to use a H group tag. And then we're just using a header 2 and a header 3 for the main header and the sub header or subtitle, either one. Some text within the article as well, and a footer, which is just saying who the article is written by, really. Same thing here. A side. This is just specifying a side of the website. In our case, the A side is going to go to the right of our website. Right, just all nicely. This is going to be used for news. Alright, so it's going to be used for recent updates, new videos that are coming out, servers maybe that we're launching, anything like that. And then you got the footer. Alright, the footer is just pretty much, it's at the bottom of the website. This is where we specify a bunch of copyright stuff, blah 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 blah. Oh, I forgot to mention, I don't think I, yeah, no, I didn't mention this. The body is just the main chunk of the website. It's just where everything is. It's wonderful. Okay. Yeah. Wow, that used 2 minutes. I'm pretty happy. So I'm hoping you understand everything here. Now, let's actually run this. Alright then, so after finding where it is, you just double click. Voila! Welcome to the TechPlague. You got your articles. Whoops. You get like written by Ashley, some text in this article. Yeah, general stuff. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, Ashley, I could have swore you told me that this header. Wait, no, the header's right. I could have sworn you told me this article is going to be in the middle of the website. It's not. It's to the left. What you on, bro? You on drugs? Well, no, I'm not actually. What's happening here is we haven't actually specified what to do with these tags. These tags exist, but we're not actually saying what the website should do with them. This is where the beauty of the CSS file comes in. In the CSS file, we'll be specifying where to put all these tags, you know, where everything in the tag is going to be positioned, what color they're going to be, what size they're going to be, the padding, the width, the margin, stuff like that. We're also going to be using some cool HTML stuff. Yeah, new HTML5 stuff as well, which will be helping us towards creating this website, making it look really professional. Also, this news website, with this news website, derp, with this news section here, you're probably thinking to yourself also, isn't this meant to be the right? No, not yet. Actually, we still need to specify that as well, which we will be able to. We'll also put them in boxes and stuff, make them look real pretty. Okay, we'll make it look as professional as possible. And by the end of this tutorial, we will have a nice, professional looking website. It'll be beautiful, alright? Okay, we're almost done. Now, there's one thing I forgot to mention, and I've just remembered this now. How unprofessional of me. Above the section, you can actually have a navigation thing. Now, this navigation tag specifies, it's pretty much, it's links, alright? It's like links to different pages in your website. So like up here, there's just different pages like Gmail and images and whatnot. This is what navigation is for. I'm sorry for not mentioning this. And what we can do here, I haven't actually got anything for this yet. I haven't got any more links for this, so we're just going to have a list. So we're just going to have a list item. We're going to use an unorganized list because why not? It's not organized. Yeah. I'm just going to call it home. I lie. About us. Oh, I hear a clock going off. Dun-dun-dun. Another list item, which will be, I don't know, servers? No, videos. That makes sense. Videos. Perfect sense. Okay, so all the videos go in there. List items. We'll have servers as well. Why not? We do host servers. Yeah. So this is pretty much where all your little web pages are going to go, and we will use we'll use anchors and stuff to actually get it into there. All right. So I'm hoping this has actually helped you in creating a HTML website. Obviously, this won't settle for a website at the moment. All right. This don't settle, all right, because we still got these little dots here which we can get rid of, luckily. Yeah, this won't settle for a website, obviously. You can't ship this out yet, all right. It's not professional enough. I think you may get rejected, but don't worry, we'll make it professional. And once we do make it professional, I think Microsoft might come along and ask for a new website from you. Yeah. Anyways, now that I've wasted about 18 minutes and 30 seconds of your time, well, I say wasted, it was well spent, was it not? I shall now say goodbye. But before I do, I just want to ask to whoever is actually watching these videos, just post some recommendations of what you want me to try and teach you next, whether it be another programming language or something like that, and I'll try and teach you it as best I can. Even if I have to learn a new programming language, I will, to teach you guys. All right? So you can just ask me whatever you want, and I will try and teach you. Unless, of course, it's girls. I can't help you there, bro. I'm sorry. I just don't have the mental capability to help you with females at this point. They're confusing. What can I say? No, I'm joking. There's probably females watching this as well. But so, anyways, as I was saying, let us continue. Wait, no, we're ending. My bad. We will continue later though, and once we do continue, we will have this looking beautiful. We'll have pretty colors. The title will be larger. We'll even have an image to the left, or maybe the right. We'll have like a massive banner going across the website here. I know, we'll have it something. We'll make it look beautiful. We even have a news as well. All right, it'll look amazing. All right. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please, I was about to say rate. Rating doesn't exist. Anyways, please comment, subscribe, do something, watch more videos. If you're interested in Unity, we do have a Unity video at the moment. I will be making more. If you're interested in games, we do have a gaming video. We do have videos on how to set up a Gmod server. So if you're interested in Gary's Mod and setting up a dedicated server, then you're more than welcome to watch one of our videos. We also have another video on how to create bots in Gary's Mod. Dopey as they are, they're hilarious to mess around with, trust me. Anyways, so this is me going. Right, thanks you for watching. I hope I helped you with HTML, and goodbye.